Hello everyone, this is Durgesh Kumar. I have cleared second mate orals from Delhi MMD. This video is especially for the candidates who are appearing or going to appear for second mate orals at Delhi MMD. In this video, I am going to talk regarding syllabus of function 1, that is navigation. Before starting the syllabus, I would like to inform you all that when you go for oral examination on your scheduled date, go with valid medical certificate along with other documents. Otherwise, they may refuse to take your examination. Let's start with syllabus. I have divided this syllabus in 8 topics. The topic 1 covers rules of the road, ROR cards, situation and ILA voice system. We will start with the rules of the road. In rules of the road, you have to by heart from 1 to 19, word by word. Few surveyors are there, they want to listen word by word. So you have to prepare word by word from rule number 1 to 19. From 20 to 41, you have to understand the rule. You have to understand the lights and shapes according to the vessels. After that, you have to go through the annex, that is 1 to 4. In annex 1, you have to know regarding positioning and technical detail of the lights and shapes. In annex 2, you have to know additional signals for the fishing vessels. In annex 3, you should know technical details of the sound signal appliances. In annex 4, you should know distress signals, which you have to give in case of distress. Topic 1, the next portion is ILA voice system. In that, you have to study regarding lateral mark, preferred channel mark, cardinal marks, isolated danger mark, safe water mark, special mark and emergency wreck marking. In ILA voice system, you should know how to draw each and every mark, and also you should know the color coding of the lights, rhythms of the light, and you should know the action when you see right ahead any of these mark. Next topic is ROR cards. In ROR cards, 3 types of cards are there. One is day cards, next one is night card and voice card. These all cards you have to by heart word by word because surveyors are there, they want to listen word by word. Next is situations. Situation you have to do in group, then only you can clear the situation. In function 1, next topic is there, topic number 2, that is celestial navigation. In celestial navigation, I have covered full celestial navigation, in which the surveyor will ask. We will start from the noon side. Surveyor will ask the full procedure of the noon side or star side, or they may ask when to take intercept and when we take long micron. So you have to prepare well for this noon side and star side by intercept and long micron method. Next is compass error. They will ask what all methods are there by finding compass error. They may ask by the celestial or the terrestrial. So both you have to know methods of finding error of compass. Next one is position fixing. They will ask position fixing by celestial means and the terrestrial means. So you have to prepare for both. Next one is X meridian limit. They will ask what is X meridian limit or how you will find the X meridian limit. So you have to prepare for this also. This is the most frequently question asked by the surveyor, that is why long micron is preferred over intercept. So few points are there that you have to learn. Next one is the general definitions, like azimuth, amplitude, GHA, LHA, SHA, GMT, LMT, parallax, types of sailings, twilights, equation of time, eclipse, back angle. These are the examples and you have to learn more definition from principle of navigation. If you cover this all in celestial navigation, the surveyor will ask most probably in this section only. Next topic is bridge equipment. In bridge equipments, the most important equipment is ACDIS. In ACDIS you have to study how it is better than the paper chart, the IMO requirements of the ACDIS, limitation of the ACDIS, how to order ENC, and the most important is safety setting of the ACDIS. The every surveyor will ask regarding ACDIS, so you have to prepare well for ACDIS. Next one is the autopilot controls. In autopilot control you have to study. Also along with controls you have to know regarding PID system. Kalman filter also you have to study. Next equipment is GPS. In GPS you should know principle and the errors. In radar, characteristics, efficiency and limitations. In echo sounder you should know the principle and the errors. In gyro compass, only errors. Banvas, performance standard. In Doppler log, only errors. In magnetic compass, error and correctors. Correctors in the sense like Flinders bar, soft iron ball or healing bucket. That's all about the bridge equipment you have to study. And also you have to learn IMO requirement for all these equipments. Next topic is for publications. In publications, the most frequently asked publication by the surveyor is the ASD and the chart catalog. ASD, you have to know how many volumes are there. Now total 76 volumes are there, that you have to learn, and the information from the sailing direction what you get, that you have to learn, and the corrections from where you get the correction of the ASD, that you have to by heart. Next publication is chart catalog. Chart catalog you should know how to refer and how it is helpful in passage planning, and what all information you get from the chart catalog and the correction from where you get for the chart catalog. Next volume is ALRS. Surveyor will ask how many volumes are there and each volume what all information content, like they will ask the CIRM details from which volume you will get. So you have to know all the contents with the volume. The total 6 volumes are there, that you have to learn, and the correction from where you get for the each volume. Next topic is the next volume is the ocean passage of the bird. The information content in the ocean passage of the bird, that you have to study. Next one is the ship's routing. Same the ocean passage of the bird, the information content in the ship's routing, that you have to know. Next one is the notice to mariner. In notice to mariner, 3 types of notice to mariner are there, that is weekly, annual and the cumulative. In weekly total 8 sections are there, that you have to learn. 8 sections covers the correction of the volumes, charts and all the nautical products, so you have to by heart the all 8 section. Next one is the annual notice to mariner content the 2 parts, that you have to learn what all information these 2 parts content. Next one is the cumulative notice to mariner, that you have to learn what all information it have cumulative notice to mariner and when it comes. Next one is the almanac. In almanac, what all information you get from the almanac, that you have to learn. Next one is the Interco, that is International Code of Signal. The information content in the intercode or content of the intercode, that you have to learn, and when we use or purpose of the intercode. Next one is the routing charts. In routing chart you have to know what all information you get from the routing charts. Next one is the mariner's handbook, what all information you get from the mariner's handbook, that you have to know. These all publications, these important publications are there, that you have to learn. Only these are publications are there, the surveyor asks from this only 10 publications. If you learn all this 10 publication, the publication part will be clear. Next topic is metrology. In metrology, the surveyor will ask the how many metrological instrument you have on board and the purpose of the instrument. Each instrument we have to know what all information we get the each equipments. Like barometer, they will ask principle and the errors of barometer. Hygrometer, Worling's hygrometer, how we use and how we find out the relative humidity and the dew point from the hygrometer, and the all general definitions from the marine meteorology book, like dew point, relative humidity, Boyce-Waller's law, and some more definitions are there that we have to go through marine meteorology book. The small definitions are there that we have to by heart. The next most important topic is the tropical revolving storm, that in there in meteorology. The most of the survey ask in meteorology, they will ask the TRS, the approaching sign of the TRS, corrective action, what we will take in case of TRS, and diagram. You should know the diagram how to draw in both hemisphere, north and south hemisphere. These all about the meteorology, only instruments, definitions, and the tropical revolving storm. These all you have to study in meteorology. That's all about the meteorology. Next topic is ships maneuvering. In ships maneuvering, they will ask from where you will get maneuvering characteristics, like wheelhouse poster or maneuvering booklet. So they will ask from where you will get the maneuvering characteristics, and they ask wheelhouse poster diagram, what all information you have in wheelhouse poster. What is the difference between the crash stop and the inertia stop, they will ask. Turning circle in detail, they will make you to draw turning circle, and as per the IMO requirement they will ask the criteria of the advance and the tactical diameter. In crash stop, they will ask the IMO criteria of the track reach, that we have to know. Next is the shallow water effect, what all shallow water effects are there, that we have to study. Then what is squat and factors affecting squat, blockage factor, block coefficient, and transverse thrust. These all things are there in ships maneuvering that we have to prepare to clear this part, ships maneuvering. Next topic is the IMSAR. They will ask what is the purpose of the IMSAR, how many volumes are there, which volume we carry on board, and the content of the mobile facilities, and what all information we get from the mobile facilities or on-scene coordinated duties, they may ask. Next is the search pattern. Total 6 search patterns are there. Out of 6 they ask only 5. Except contour, they may ask for draw any search pattern like expanding square search, sector search, track line, creep line, or parallel track search. So you have to know how to draw all these search pattern, and when we use this all each particular expanding, sector, track, creep line, parallel, when we use, in which case we use, you should know the all these search pattern. Next topic is emergencies. As a duty officer on bridge, what action you will take in case of engine failure, steering failure, flooding, grounding, collision, man overboard, and in case of fire. These all emergency you have to prepare, what action you have to take in case of emergency. And the few surveys are there, they will ask in when you are in English Channel or you are in traffic separation scheme, in that case you get steering failure, engine failure, then what action you will take. So prepare for the emergencies. Except from all these 8 topics, you have to prepare passage plan. You have to write down all the points including remarks, everything, that you have to prepare passage plan. And other than these 8 topics, you have to prepare all surveyors question which are frequently asked. After preparing all the syllabus, this is very important to go through the all question, surveyors question. It is very important. This will help you to pass your exam. If you face any difficulty to find out any answer in mentioned in 8 topics or any other query related to function 1, you may drop your question in comment section. Thank you very much for watching. All the best for your orals. Thank you.